concatenating string with the plus equals operator. We can also use the plus equal operator to concatenate a string onto the end of an existing string variable. This can be very helpful to break a long string over several lines. Watch out for spaces. Concatenation does not add spaces between concatenated strings, so you'll need to add them by yourself. Let our string equals to icon first plus icon second. Okay, I can add strings just by plus equals. Okay, icon second. Okay, build my string my str over several lines by concatenating these two strings. This is okay. So first I should declare str equals to check. This is the first line, and then I should do like my str plus equals this is sentence, then give okay. My string should have single space character between two strings. Single space. My string should have value. This is the first sentence, and this is the second sentence. I mean, I can do this. My string, my str should have single space. Should have like single space. Okay. Sometimes you will need to build a string by using the concatenation operator plus. You can also insert one or more variables into string you are building. So our name free code camp. Our name goes hello. Our name is plus our name plus this. How are you? We have value. The string hello. Our name is okay plus our name plus free code camp. How are you? Okay. Okay, I understand. Okay. Set my name to equal string to your name and build a str my str with my name between. Okay, my name is like and build my str with my name between the string my name is. So my name is then plus এখানে থাকবে my name plus এখানে থাকবে and I'm well. I think that should be it. Okay, just as we can build a string over multiple lines out of a string literals, we can also append variables to a string using the plus equals operator. We can also build a string over multiple lines. Out of the string literal, we can also append variables to a string using the plus equal operator. Append const n adjective awesome. Let our string also free code camp is our string plus equal, so our string would have okay some adjective is to a string, at least 3 characters up. Okay, let's say like cat. Append it to the mystr using plus equal operator. Okay, this is a form. So এখানে বলছে যে I have to add mystr plus equal দিয়ে যদি some adjectives লিখি adjective, then I think that should like give an yeah. Okay, so you can find the length of a string value by writing dot length after the string variable or string literal console.log ln peter dot length. The value would be 10. Okay, the value would be 10, displayed would be 10. Okay, note that the space character between ln is also counted. Okay, for example, if we created a variable const first name equals ada, we could find out how long the string ada is by using first name dot length. Okay, first name dot length, first name dot length. Okay, use dot length property to set the last name length to the number of characters in the last name. Okay, so I think I should write that console.log যেহেতু আমি যদি last namer property value চাইতেছি, so I should write like should add this and then it should come up. That's fine. Oh no, wait, last console.dot আমি চাইছি এটা length, so এখানে একটা dot length. Okay, it's 14. And if I just cut it off, shit, it is 8. Okay. Okay, understandable. Yeah, it's 8, right? It came 8. Last name A should equal be 8. You should be getting the length of last name by using length, like last name dot length. Okay. To set the last name length to the number of characters in last name, the number of characters in last name, you should change the variable. Last name should be 8. You should be getting length of last name by using dot length, like last name dot length. I don't understand what's wrong here.
Sometimes you want to find the length of a string. JavaScript makes this easy. So we have the first name is set to Ada, but we just use the dot length property to find the length. So first name dot length. Remember, first name is Ada here. Sometimes you want to find the length of a string. So that would be 3. So let's try this again. Here's another example. Last name length equals last name. We just have to type in dot length. And just to show you, let me console.log that. And you'll be able to see if I put in last name length and if I
Okay, understand. So I should just write this like this, length. Then I should just say console.log last name length. Okay, I think that's it. Use bracket notation to find the first character in a string. Bracket notation is a way to get character at a specific index within a string. Most modern programming languages like JavaScript and don't start counting at 1. Like you mentioned, they start at 0. They referred as zero-based indexing. For example, the characters indexed at 0 in the word Charles is C. So if you const first name Charles, you can get the value of the first letter of the string by using first name 0, and then it should become C. Okay, first name 0 C. Okay, use a bracket notation to find the first character in the last name variable and assign it to first character of last name, first character of the last name, first letter of last name should be like this 0. JavaScript string values are immutable, which means that they cannot be altered once created. For example, the following code will produce an error error because the letter B in the string Bob cannot be changed to J. For let Meister Bob 0J. Note that this does not mean Meister could not be reassigned. Okay, the only way to change Meister would be to assign it with a new variable like this. Oh, okay, so this cannot be done. Okay, correct the assignment to a Meister so it contains the value hello world using the approach shown in the example above. So this will not work because I cannot assign it like this, so I have to assign like this. Hello world. Hello world. Okay, you can also use the bracket notation to get the characters at other positions within a string. You can also use the bracket notation to get the other character at positions within a string. Remember that computers start counting at 0, so first character is actually the zeroth character. Const her first name Ada, const second letter of first name, second letter of first name first name 1, second letter of second letter of first name. So second letter of first name value D. Okay, understand. Let's try to give third letter of the name to equal third letter of the last name. We are using bracket notation. Yeah, it's just easy. Like third letters is 2. Use bracket notation to find the last character in a string. In order to get the last letter of a string, you can subtract 1 from the string length. You can subtract 1 from the string's length. For example, if const first name error, you can get the value of the last letter of the string using first name first name dot length minus 1. The last letter would have value 1. First name dot length first name dot length আচ্ছা first name dot length মানে হচ্ছে 3 minus 1. Okay, okay, understandable. Use the bracket notation to find the last character of the last name variables. Last is the last. So last letter so last letter of the so total হচ্ছে 8, right? So 8 sure, right? So total length হচ্ছে 8. So this is 8. 8 minus 1 should be 7. Yes, that's it. Should be E. That's completed. Right? Wait, when again? Okay, হওয়ার কারণ আছে. So last name. Okay, understand. So use bracket notation to find the nth to the last character in a string. You can use the same principle we just used to retrieve the last character in a string to retrieve the nth to last character. For example, you can get the value of the third to last letter of the const first name equals Augusta string by using first name dot length minus 3. For example, Augusta first name dot length minus 3. আচ্ছা minus 3 হলে টোটাল আছে কয়টা 3টা আর 7টা থেকে 3 বাদ দিলে 4. So 0 1 0 1 2 3 4. So S should be okay. S is the value. Okay. Use bracket notation to find the second to the last character in the last name. Second to last character. Second to last. It means like C. I need C as an output, right? Okay, C should be the output. So to get C, 1 0 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 6. So my answer should be 6. So it's total 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. So I should give last name last name dot length dot 8. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay. You're provided sentence with some missing words like nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs that you then fill in the missing pieces with words of your choice in a way that the completed sentence makes sense. It was really fun, and it was really hot, and we laughed ourselves silly. Dog. Dog big ran quickly. So understandable. The plus such a ad my adjective plus my big um, blue my big blue dog ran. So my adverb that we laughed, right? We laughed. It should work. My big blue dog ran so quickly that we laughed. Should contain all the words assigned to the variable, separated by non-word characters. Okay, and any addition of words for your choice. Okay, understand the power. The big, the big, the big dog ran. Okay.
we're going to be the, so we'll just hard code that. That will be an actual string. But now be my adjective. Oh, we don't need this string at the end. So we're going to add the noun. So my noun. And then we just have to keep doing this, adding spaces in between each word. So now we're going to be the verb, my verb, plus my adverb. And then the final thing we're going to need to do is add a period. And we have to just have to make sure that we have the pluses in between each thing. So I need a plus in between the space and the adverb. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the program, or we're going to log it out and see if we have a sentence. So and see if we have a sentence. So the big dog ran quickly. We just solved the challenge. So the big dog ran quickly.
Okay, separated by non-word characters. So separate করতে non-word characters. So এটা কি দিলে হবে? এটা separate হয়ে গেছে। Separated by non-word characters and any additional words of your choice. Yeah, I separated them. I don't understand. One and bullism, adverb, adjective, my noun, my verb, my adjective, my adverb. তো এটাই দিছি বাবু, এক্স্যাক্টলি এটাই দিছি। তাও হইতেছে না। because of these things. Let's check. এটা স্পেস নাই যে জন্য ফার্স্ট my verb plus my adverb. My verb plus, it's not, I'm not getting it, but it's not here. Ah, the big, the big, the big dog, the big dog ran quickly. So that should work, right? Now it's working. Why? I don't understand. বানানো ভুল ছিল, of course. Okay, whatever. Store multiple values in one variable using JavaScript arrays. Multiple strings in one variable using JavaScript array. Okay, array. With JavaScript array variables, we can store several pieces of data in one place. You can start an array declaration with an opening square bracket and end it with a closing square bracket and put a comma between each entry, like so. Modify the new array so that it contains both a string and a number in that order. should be a string and second element should be a number. Okay, so error ভিতরে একটা string, my error ভিতরে একটা হচ্ছে food. This is a string, right? So this is the first array, and it's a number থাকবে, like for instance 1. You can also nest arrays within other arrays like below. Nest arrays within other arrays like below. Nest arrays. Acha, acha, okay. So boost 23 এর একটা array, white for socks 45 এর একটা array. So এটা const teams এর একটা array ভিতরে ঢুকেছে. Okay. Create a nested array item array called my array. Nested array called my array. Okay. So এর ভিতরে nested array দিতে হবে. So nested দেওয়ার জন্য হচ্ছে first array should be food, and food is a string, so food. And হচ্ছে food. I mean, I can add multiple arrays like this, comma. আচ্ছা, 1. Okay, that's it. Access array data with indexes. Access array data with indexes. Const array 50, 60, 70. 50, 60, 70. Console.log array 0. Const data array 1. 50, 60, 70. আচ্ছা, তো এখানে 0, 1 হইতেছে 60. So okay, 60 brings the value of 60. Console.log array 0, 0. Yeah, of course. Create a variable called my data. Create a variable called my data. Const to my data equal to my data. I set it to equal the first value of n. Okay, so array 0. Okay, sorry. 0, no, my array. Okay, unlike strings, the entries of arrays are mutable, and can be changed freely, even if the arrays was declared with const. Even if the arrays are declared with const. Const our array 0, 15. Okay, so our array has, okay, even has a value of, okay, it's changeable, it's kind of changeable. So there shouldn't be any spaces between the array name and the square bracket. There shouldn't be any spaces between the array name and the square bracket. Like array 0, although JavaScript is able to process this correctly, this may confuse the other programmers reading your code. So modify the data stored at index 0 of my array. You will, okay, so আমি জাস্ট এখানে যদি লিখি, so আমি যদি এখানে লিখি যে just my array 0 number ইন্ডেক্সটা চেঞ্জ করতে যেতেছি, রাইট, 0 তে 45 ভ্যালু যেতেছি, so just 45, sorry, 45, then it should go. Access multi-dimensional arrays with indexes. One way to think of a multi-dimensional array is an array of an array.